Hello everybody, today we're at the other bank of elevators here at the south parking deck here at Beaumont Hospital in Royal Oak, Michigan. We got some ThyssenKrupps. Aurora call buttons. Let's see what's on the inside. Mechanical bell, that's probably original, yeah. This is a mod. Originally, they were Dovers. Look at that attraction. Look at that. I'm just getting some pictures real quick. Awesome. Don't let the call button fool you. The COP is original. Yeah, really, don't let the call button fool you. These are epic. That's a replaced interlock though. There you can see up the roping goes into the shaft. And I love the scrolling indicator. These are cool. Love that indicator. There's the phone. Dover logo. Let's see. Good old look down there. Let's see that interlock is original. Yeah, it looks really nice. Good elevator. See, now you can see right here where the down button would be. This is one of the 2-button call buttons, but they decided to use it for this elevator. Here's the emergency power, and here comes this one. Bell doesn't ring, unfortunately. Let's go to 4. That bell rang out there. You know, this one almost feels like it's hydraulic. Let's take a look up the shaft. You going up?
Yes.
1?
4.
Oh, 4.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's look up the shaft. Very nice. It is traction. All right, that'll be it.